Okay, it's time for the answer to our quiz. Yes. So I'm going to sign it one more time, and then I'll show you the answer. And the answer is C. We need hot chocolate. Delicious. Okay, so we did the answer, but we're not going to stop there. No, we're going to learn to sign. You're going to learn to sign all of the answers. Yes. Okay, so before we jump into answer A, let's take a look at all of them. There are statements. We could say affirmative declarations. So don't worry about any question, expressions, anything like that. We're just going to do regular statements. So after you sign them, you could nod a little bit. You could have a neutral look on your face. But we're just sharing information. Okay, answer A. You all try hot cider. All right, here's what it looks like. All right, let's break it down. We have you all, as in you plural. So you might be talking to a group of people, giving a speech, whatever. I'm going to use that index finger. Personal pronouns. So you all, we're going to go like this, right? Just arc it in front of you. Can't go like this because that would be for one person, you. We need to arc it. Now there's something very important here, and this is the difference between you all and they. So they're happy, or they sad, you all sad. We need you all, and they is off to the side. They, you all, they, or maybe even they. Okay, so how do we remember? Pretend there's an imaginary line here, a vertical, runs right in front of you. When you want to sign you all, make sure to cross it. Okay, so if you cross it, that's you all. If you stay off to the side, you're not crossing that line. It's they. Very important. They, you all. Okay, so you all, once again, index finger just cross in front. If they're over there, you want to address them, you would go that way. Suddenly your line's over here, then you go, you all. Back to you guys. I'm speaking to an audience, you all. Okay, next one is try. Here's the sign for try. All right, we're going to use the same hand shapes, the letter A, as in the alphabet. So we go like this, fingers together, down, thumbs tight alongside. Start down here, palms facing down. And now we're just going to move forward and curve up. Try. Try. From the side. Try. Other side. Try. From the front again. Try. Okay. Now you may have seen this done with T hand shapes. T's. Same motion, just different hand shapes. Try. I've seen it done with S's as well. S. Try. To be consistent here, we're going to use the A hand shape. Try. Okay. Hot. Here is the sign for hot. Good one to know because it's in all of the answers. Here's the sign for hot. Right? Maybe you could hear my breath exhaling. Hot. Right? Hot. Okay. The hand shape, use your dominant hand. Go like this. Bring them down. I don't know if it's a claw or it's more like you're going to catch a ball, something like this. But this is the hand shape right there. Okay, now you're going to turn it in towards your mouth. And as you breathe out, flick it around. Hot. And you could open your mouth a little bit and breathe out. Hot. From the side. Hot. From the other side. Hot. Okay, once again from the front, hot. Good, good. Cider. All right, so we have hot cider. We know hot now. Cider, you're just going to finger spell. C-I-D-E-R. So one thing you learn about sign language, some of these shorter words, they don't have their own sign. All right, they just are quickly finger spelled. So in this case, cider. So let's do the letters. C-I-D-E-R. Just like that. All right, let's do it a few times and we'll speed up. Cider. 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 Okay, so we know all of the signs for the full sentence. You all try hot cider. All right, let's do it. You all try hot cider. I guess it would be more like a command here, but it's still a statement. We're giving out the information there. So it could be a command, or it could just be sharing information. You all try hot cider, like it happens. So let's do it again. You all try hot cider. It's kind of convenient that once we do hot, we end up down here, which is almost in the C handshake. We just close it up. Well, bam, we have a C for the cider, right? Okay, good, good. Let's go to answer B. Here's what it looks like. All right, you, I imagine you know how to sign you. Index finger, just point one time. All right, something important to know. If you're seated, you're seated in a row, a movie theater, a long line of chairs, whatever. You're like this, and you're signing with someone at your side. Do what you can. I know it's a little bit cramped sometimes. Do what you can to turn your body, right? So then you can go you. It's not only more respectful, it just means they can see what you're signing, your facial expressions and total package, right? You. Okay, so index finger, you. Taste. Okay, here's what it looks like for taste. Dominant hand, I'm right-handed. Go like this. Open flat hand. Bend down that middle finger. We're going to use the tip of the middle finger. Now you have an option here. Basically, we're going to stick out our tongue a little bit, and just like you're tasting something, right? You just dabbed in something, you have it on the tip of your finger, and you're tasting it. Now, if you want to touch your tongue, that's okay. If you don't want to touch your tongue, germs, dirt, whatever on your hands, don't worry about it. Don't touch your tongue. Just get close. Okay, so we have taste. From the side, taste. Other side, taste. From the front again. Okay, so we have you taste hot. You remember how to sign hot? All right, this hand shape right here. All right, put it right here. Ah, hot, hot. Okay, water. How do we sign water? It looks like this. The hand shape, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. W, we're going to make a W. Now we're going to use the side of the index finger here. Just tap twice on our mouth. Water, water. All right, we know all the signs. Let's do it. Let's do the full sentence for B. You taste hot water. You taste hot water. Okay, so sign with me. Let's do it a few times. I won't talk. Saying taste and signing it at the same time puts my tongue in weird positions. Let's do it. Okay, and depending on this situation, what's happening, the context, you could be telling someone to taste hot water. You could just be, sharing information that, it happened, you taste hot water. But the context will decide. Here, we're just getting the signs and the sentence. Okay, one more time. Okay, back to C. All right, we need hot chocolate. Here's what it looks like. Okay, the sign for we, personal pronoun. Lovely thing about personal pronouns in American Sign Language, they all have the index finger. Aha! Once you get to possessive pronouns like my, your, it's going to be this one right here. But right now we just need personal pronouns, right? We, you, me, stuff like that, I. So we go like this, tip of the finger, go 1, 2. Just 2 taps on the chest, 1, 2. Now I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, just use your index finger, go from the other side. We. I'm right-handed, we. From the side, we. Other side, we. Okay, need. Here is the sign for need. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. The hand shape is the letter X, or we could say like the Captain Hook, right? Go like that. Now we're going to leave it so the palm is facing forward, put it about right here, and just drop it down. Need. From the side, need. Other side, need. All right, this also works for should, must, and need. Okay, chocolate. Here's a sign for chocolate. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed. Non-dominant hand for me, my left hand. I'm going to make an S, or we could say a fist. Put it down here. We got a nice platform. Dominant hand, make the letter C. Aha. Now we're going to take the outside part of the thumb, this part right here, place it on top, and do a couple circles. Chocolate. From the side, chocolate. Other side, chocolate. From the front again. Okay, there is a similar sign with the same hand shapes, a different motion, which could be confusing if you don't know the difference. All right, it's the sign for church. So this is church. This is chocolate. Suppose you could have chocolate in church, but just focusing on church and chocolate. Once again, church, 2 taps. You got that bouncing movement. Chocolate, just put it there and go around like you're maybe stirring a whatever pot of chocolate. 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 Okay, so we need hot chocolate. We know all the signs. Well, let's sign. Here we go. Sign with me. We need hot chocolate. Yes, we do. We need hot chocolate. All right, sign with me a little bit quicker. All right, at the end of the sentence, you could nod a little bit. You could have a neutral facial expression, up to you. If you're just like, you really need it, you're not going to make it through the day anymore, put it on your face. Oh. Okay, so we did all of the answers, which leaves us with another opportunity. Yes, let's sign them all together. We'll go A, B, and C. So I'm going to start here, sign A, go back down to the rest position, sign B, back down, C. Okay, let's do it. Here we go, sign with me. We'll go a little bit slower. Next round, we'll speed up a little bit. You all try hot cider. You taste hot water. We need hot chocolate. Okay, this time I'm not going to talk. We'll just go through a little bit quicker speed, so sign with me. Here we go. A, B, C in that order. Voila! We signed everything. Fabulous. Okay, I think that is good. See you soon. Already let another coworker who just had a baby know about your course, and she enrolled and also gifted the course to my nanny, who also uses the signs with my 1-year-olds. My twins are already signing back. Eat, milk, more. So excited to continue this ASL journey. April left this review for our Parent and Child Phrases course. This is a unique course because we specifically created it for those unique situations between parents and child, right? So you'll be signing, you'll learn the individual signs, right? So important. We'll put the signs together to sign complete phrases. And then we'll test you. Two-part testing. Make sure you can sign the phrases and also understand them. So important. It's so common out there. You see courses, they teach you to sign, right? They teach you. Maybe they test you on your ability. They give you a quiz. But more often than not, we find that they don't test you. Frustrating. They don't test you on your ability to understand when you sign, where you see someone signing. Okay, this is one of over 35 courses in our ASL bundle. And all of these courses are designed to include complete beginners. So if you just randomly pick a course on here and you have no ASL knowledge whatsoever, well, great. In each course, we teach you step by step from zero, literally, so that you have everything you need in that course to kick butt and improve your sign language skills. If you're looking for a fun, relaxed environment just to jump in there, have fun and sign and just do it, get hands-on experience, here you go. Go to ablelingo.com, check out our stuff, preview it, explore, take your time. We got lots of stuff. Make sure that our teaching style fits with your learning style. So important to make you a more effective learner, right? Find an instructor, whether it's me or someone else that you enjoy. So important. It's going to level you up quicker because you'll look forward to the lessons. You're going to enjoy the content, and it's going to stick in your brain better. Okay, April, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.